Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can get into the Smart Futures program, which is the program we will use for career education and work assignments and activities this year. So the first thing you need to do is go to the smartfutures.org website and you're going to click on sign in with Google. Don't type any username or password, just click the blue sign in with Google button and then put in your information as needed. Now I am already signed in here, for example, under Caleb's name, and for many of you, if this is your first time, you will have to choose an icon, just like this little couch, for your little picture, and then it will take you to this activity page. Now you're not going to click complete activity 7. You're going to look over at the activities on the left-hand side. And for the very first activity, you're going to scroll down to complete lesson 5, and you will click begin activity. And when you begin activity, you'll be given videos and activities to complete and questions to answer. Make sure you go through all parts of that lesson, and when it's finished, it will tell you that you have completed that lesson. That is how you're going to complete your career education and work activity for the month of September. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.